How to delete McDonald's account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your McDonald's account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your McDonald's app from your device. As you launch the app, make sure that you are logged into your specific McDonald's account. Now, in order to delete it, go ahead and tap on Account on your top left. Under your account, tap on Edit Profile just under the General option. At the bottom of the page, you will see Delete Account. Tap onto it. Now, before you're deleting your account, just know that if you delete your account, you will cancel all your membership, your coupons and benefits that you acquired during the campaign and while your account was still in use. If you would still like to continue, then tap on Withdraw. And just like so, this is how you will be able to do it. If you would like to see more videos on this, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can never miss an update from us.